Hey guys, we're going to walk around the 2023 Nexus Wraith 32W. This motorhome is 32 feet 5 inches long, 8.5 feet wide, has a Cummins diesel up front with an Allison transmission behind it, tows 16,000 pounds. It is a beauty. Let's take a walk around this Nexus and see what all it has to offer. So here we are outside of the Wraith 32W by Nexus. This is the beautiful paint job. It is blue, gray, dark gray, and silver. One of my personal favorites. Underneath the hood here, you have the Cummins diesel. So you are not paying gas prices, you're paying diesel prices on this one. But you do have a towing capacity of 16,000 pounds with this camper. It is a true 16,000 pounds. You don't have to do any math. You just hook to it and pull. Let's take a walk down the side and see what all we have to offer. Inside the cab of this camper, you have lots of headroom, lots of storage, basically semi-chassis in here. Don't need a CDL to drive it. You have nice controllable seats, nice adjustment and everything for the driver as well as the passenger, and of course nice big steps to be able to get in there. You have a gas tank over here, and as well as you have semi-tires, so if you have a blowout, just call your local tire shop that offers semi-tires to get yourself a replacement. Moving down the side of the camper, of course you have your propane tank underneath of here with a quick shut-off valve. And of course you have lots of storage underneath of here. It is slight pass-through there. You can kind of see it there. And it keeps going all the way down the side of the camper. And a nice TV on the outside here, so that way you can watch the football game on the outside, all underneath a big one-piece awning that slides all the way out so you can stay out of the rain. On the back of the Wraith here, you have an incorporated backup camera. You don't have to purchase that separate. So as soon as you put it in reverse, everything's going on, or you can see everything behind you. And of course, like I mentioned before, 16,000 pound towing hitch underneath this camper, ready to tow. You have a 4-way and a 7-pin hitch, so you can tow basically anything behind you. Coming around here, you have a 1,000-watt inverter. So it can power basically everything inside of that camper while you're going down the road. And while you're camping. Underneath of here you have the 8,000 watt auto start generator, so you can set it to start during non-quiet time hours while you're camping, or you can manually start it from outside here or inside the camper. It does run off the diesel tank, so you can start while you're going down the road. You don't need to run it off propane or anything like that. As long as you got diesel in your tank, this generator will run. So here we are inside of the Wraith. You have this nice dark interior on this one, offset by the white cabinetry. Of course, plenty of storage in here. Nice theater seating with the nice plush curtains and everything. Cushions, excuse me. Up here you have a nice bed for anybody that's coming with you. And of course the nice big swivel TV that's not over top of the bed, so whoever's up here is not kicking it. Over here you have solid surface countertops, so you're not cutting into anything, or when you move a hot pan from this 3-burner stove over here, you're not going to burn the countertops because they're laminate. Nope, they're solid surface. Of course, plenty of storage again with the Wraith. Again, nice white cabinetry, nice big convection microwave, so you can cook your Hot Pockets or anything up there. This one has a propane and electric refrigerator, and they kept it with that nice white paint job on there, so it looks part of the whole camper. Over here you have a nice 4-person dinette, and of course you can lower it down into a bed nice and easy, so you can have more people sleeping and bring the whole family along with you. So over here you can close this bathroom or this door a little bit, just shut yourself off so you can take yourself a nice shower. Have a nice skylight up there for plenty of headroom. And of course they give you a nice shower head and everything, so you can hose off and get to all your nether regions. Over here you have your the throne, nice porcelain toilet, as well as a medicine cabinet and everything to hide all your toiletries, and nice sink and everything. And again, it's nice and closed off, so if you want to shut the door and have yourself some privacy, easily done. So here we are in the bedroom, the main area of the camper. You have a nice big queen bed here, plenty of storage over top. All of the appliances and everything, or the access panel, is underneath of here. So you have all the access to the wiring and everything. Of course, the water filter. Nice queen bed up here. And then of course over here you have your TV, and you do have storage underneath the TV. So plenty of place to hide all your Xbox or DVD player, anything like that. And of course plenty of cabinetry for all your wife's dresses and skirts or anything like that. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough of the Wraith 32W. One of my personal favorites here by Nexus. They do it really well. With the Cummins diesel and the Allison transmission, has that tow rating of 16,000 pounds. So, and it's a true tow rating of 16,000 pounds, so you're not doing any math or having to make sure you're good at towing whatever's behind you or any tow vehicle. Again, one of my personal favorites. Come check it out here at RV Wholesalers. Check out some other walkthroughs that we've been doing on YouTube, Facebook. My name is Dalton Owen. Give me a call, 937-843-9000, extension 153. Hope to hear from you, or hope to see you on the YouTube channel.